What is going on, YouTube? I am back with another video with my one and only dream car. Cars behind me. You guys, we are at the Porsche Club event. We are at the track. We're gonna see a lot of Porsches on the track. I'm gonna show you a lot of Porsches, right? We got a green one going out right now to the track. You guys know everything 1320 happens right here. All right, we got a little ugly with me. We're gonna check out these Porsches and watch a few races. Let's go. This is one of the specs that I would go for. Your Nardo gray silver looking with the yellow brakes. Insane spec, big wing, active aero. Can't beat. Then we have a true Nardo gray versus the silver. You guys can kind of see the difference now. But the Nardo gray, the yellow, GT3 RS. Again, big active aero wing. Not carbon, so the spec isn't absolutely crazy, but yellow on the interior, carbon seats, insane spec. Another Nardo gray. Somebody bought that tag, because if you know what this is, when you see the tag, you'll get it. Again, clean, GT3 RS, 911. Check the tag. Then you have everybody's favorite Miami blue with the red. And they have chrome, almost a chrome caliper. Big active aero. This is a nice spec too. Then you have a GT3, and you can see the difference in the wings and the actual body shape. This one is a heck of a lot wider. And it's a 4.0 versus, I can't remember what that is. It's still a flat 6, but we have a Panamera, or I'm sorry, not a Panamera, E-Hybrid. Another GT3. Carbon seats, yellow. Porsche and yellow just go together. And you have the green specced out GT3 RS. Everybody loves the green. This has all the carbon. Roll cage, green interior. Big carbon wing. Next to, I believe this is a GT. I'm gonna lie, let me not lie to you guys. It is a 4, I believe. Yeah, 4. Crazy spec as well. Then we have another 911 Turbo S on some pretty nice wheels. This is a solid GT4 RS. You can tell it's a little bit more compact than the GT3. Super clean. I just don't like the wing. It almost looks like they're making, kind of looks like a punch buggy a little bit too much for me. So I'm always gonna be a GT3 RS fan. Then you have a GT3 with a color matched wing. Orange, this orangish color is always crazy as well. Miami blue, yellow brakes. Then of course, famous Porsche yellow with the brass wheels. But an insane spec on a lot of these cars. This is why Porsche is expensive and well known. Their specs do not disappoint on any of the cars. Let's check out some of the racing. To see one of the crazier specs. Again, the carbon, GT3 RS, the big active aero. You just heard it on the video. Again, super clean. You can see the big Porsche wing. Interior is crazy. Red stitching, yellow accents. Craziest spec out here. And this is one of the crazier specs. You can see it's got the brass wheels or LeBron's wheels. Carbon, Miami blue. Porsche wing, GT3 RS. Super clean. Got a nice green. I'm a little overwhelmed because all these are my dream cars, but I'm looking for one specific one I saw. I just don't know where he is. Remember, I said I was looking for somebody. Just went in there. Yellow Porsche GT3 RS. Craziest spec. Get a little bit of a view with a darker light. They're still going out here. So what you think?
Cool. Cool kids on the block. Don't give me all the crazy today.
It got dark, so I'm probably gonna come back tomorrow to see some more racing and to show you a lot of these cars that are parked outside. But I saw a Porsche that had a crazy wrap. I'm about to show you it right now. Forged carbon, highlighter yellow, green, whatever term you want to call it. Forged carbon, Porsche faded into it. Forged carbon, 911 Carrera. Next to an orange GT3 RS. Insane amount of Porsches in one place. All right, you guys, y'all saw some crazy Porsches. You guys got to see a lot of flybys of the Porsches. I couldn't get out on the track. Hopefully tomorrow my guy is here and I'll try to get a ride along pass and see if I can do that. So stay tuned for the next video. Let me know what your favorite Porsche is. Obviously you guys know mine. Soon, come April, you never know. It may come to the channel. Other than that, you guys know everything 1320 happens right here, and that's a wrap.